Hey folks, I've never been known to do anything half-assed. I usually put my you-know-what into it all the time, but that's about to change. I'm really about to do something half-assed. Hey sweetie, and this is Temporary Frank. We're just gonna call him Temporary Frank. That's his name temporarily. That's Sweetie, and that's her foal Frank. He's a little 4 month?
2 months. Almost
2 months. 2 month old Jack. And they're gonna come join us on the farm. Going in for some milk. So as you've seen, we're getting little miniature donkeys. It's something that we've talked about doing for quite some time. We've always loved them. I think you saw in one of my videos that we turned around in the middle of the road, stopped, and drove back to actually see one because we've always loved them. So we're very excited about it. We ordered the shed. That's going to be delivered next week. We've got to get the paddock ready. We've got to get some fencing going. So we've got a lot to do here at Clear Creek Cabin. We're still working on the chicken coop on the outdoor run, getting that done, getting the garden going. The shed that we got is completed by Mountain Barn Builders. We've used them quite a few times here in Tennessee. They build great storage sheds, and we're turning that into a little mini stable. Means that we're going to have to finish the inside, put down some cushions on the floors, get it ready. So we'll be showing you those videos as we go along. So wish us luck with our new babies. We're very excited. We should be able to get them sometime in the next 2 weeks. So we'll show you a video of that. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.